Good morning, everyone. Today we have gathered here on the occasion of Guru Purnima. So, to start with the prayer, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Purnima is celebrated to express our gratitude and devotion towards our Guru. The word Guru means someone who removes the darkness from our life and guides us. Bharat Ratna Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve is a great visionary, social reformer, and a guru. Maharshi Karve removed the darkness from the life of girls and widows and enlightened and empowered them through education. For more than 125 years ago, he started the movement of women education, and due to that, we are here today. Indeed, he is a guru who has guided the society through women education, widow remarriage, and brought a great change in our life. I wish to express my gratitude towards Guru Maharshi Karve by saying दिव्यत्वाची जेथे प्रचिती तेथे कर माझे जुळती. On the occasion of Guru Purnima, I wish you all happy Guru Purnima. Now I request our Dean Alumni, Dr. Ingre sir, to offer garland and flowers to the statue of Maharshi Karve. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Varsha Kulkarni madam to recite the Ashram Geet.
हे वंद्य आश्रमा त्वां माझे प्रणाम घ्यावे, या बालबालिकांना सत्स्फूर्ती लागी द्यावे, या सिंहतोरण्यांच्या उत्तुंग शैलमाला राहोत पाठी राख्या करी गुंफुनी कराला, ही मंद मंद वाहो सरिता सुटा मुआता, वाहुनी आणू नेमे सुमगंधयुक्त वार्ता, ही हासरी सदाची क्षेत्रे अशी डुलोत, असहाय बालिकांच्या रिधिशक्ती साठवीत, हा पूर्व पर्वतीचा गिरिजा कृपा कटाक्ष, पावित्र रक्षणार्थी राहो सदैव दक्ष, गुरुराज थोर अण्णा लाभोत श्री महर्षी, ज्यांच्या सुधावचाने नांदोत सर्वहर्षी पावित्र देवतांचे व्रतितत्वतापसांचे मांगल्य प्रेम गृहींचे नांदो असे सदाचे गुरु शिष्य भक्ती राहो अतिपूज्य आश्रमीची जी दूर ना कधीही होणार या जीवींची हतभाग हिंदभूच्या सत्कीर्ती मंदिराची व्हाया पुन्हा प्रतिष्ठा चितशक्ती आश्रमींची ध्यानी मनी म्हणून स्मरणारया चरित्रा लववीन नम्र माथा हे आश्रमा पवित्रा हे वंद्य आश्रमा त्वां माझे प्रणाम घ्यावे माझे प्रणाम घ्यावे माझे प्रणाम घ्यावे माझे प्रणाम घ्यावे.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Professor Suhas Pawar sir to express his feelings on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Please, sir.
Respected Secretary, Maharshi Karve Sri Shikshan Sanstha, Shastri Sir, Director, Cummins College of Engineering for Women, Ambete Ma'am, respected Deans, Head of Departments, staff, faculty of the Sanstha, and my dear friends. Students, I wish you all a happy Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima, a festival on the full moon day of Ashad, the Hindu calendar, sometimes in July and August. So what is this festival all about? Guru helps a person connect to his or her divine existence. Thus, a long tradition of Guru Shishya or teacher student is celebrated around the world to highlight the importance of this relationship. Those who seek knowledge, peace, or wisdom have to pass through this medium called Guru. Guru is the practical embodiment of the divine, which is sublime. That means which cannot be heard, seen, or felt. But Guru is a person whom you can hear, whom you can listen to, and he can handhold you to the divine. So when we walk into these hallowed premises of our Sanstha, we feel the blessing of our Guru, which is sublime, Anna, that is Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve. He inspires us even today to work honestly towards his lifetime mission of empowering women through education. Anna, through his long lifetime of 104 years, worked tirelessly towards the emancipation of widows. Those were the times of immense pain and hardship for widows, young and old. And because there was a tradition of child marriage, widows could be as young as a year old. Anna felt that this custom of not allowing widows to remarry should change. Thus, as a true guru, he not only preached but set an example by remarrying a widow dearly known to us as Baya Karve. I am sure Anna himself must have been guided by his gurus to take on such a arduous task of flowing against the tide of the then prevailing social norms. Thus, however huge and difficult task one may take up, like winning an Olympic medal or traveling to Mars, a guide helps the journey become joyful and successful. With a humble beginning with 4 widow students, Anna realized that the empowerment of widows was through education. Thus, in the Zhopdi, the hut, Anna started his school in 1896, which would pave the way for the Hingne Stri Shikshan Samstha, today's Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Samstha, in fond memory of our motivator and guru Anna Karve. Gandhiji visited our Samstha, and that was the meeting of the great souls. And to acknowledge the great and spiritual work of Anna Karve, Government of India decorated Anna with the highest civilian award of Bharat Ratna in 1958 on his 100th birthday. Anna is the only person whose stamp has been commemorated while he is still alive. So that is the greatness of the soul. Anna tirelessly toured the world at a ripe age and met great minds like Albert Einstein to promote women welfare and education. Anna himself was inspired by the pioneering work in women education of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar, Pandita Ramabai, and British educator Herbert Spencer. Thus, a long worldwide tradition of Guru Shishya continues still today, which has resulted in Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Samstha, which caters today to nearly more than 25,000 students in a year in various colleges, schools, hostels in various parts of Maharashtra. We, the faculty, staff, and students, on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, pay homage to our loving Guru, Maharshi Karve. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Cummins College, I wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.